Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete inventory on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select products. After selecting products, you're going to see all of the products that are currently on your store. From here, you're going to select the product that you would like to delete. So for example, let's say I would like to delete this product by the name of iPhone 12. I'm going to select it. After selecting the product, there are a few options that I can show you. For example, you could go over to status in the top right hand corner and you could change the status from active to draft. By doing this, instead of removing the product completely from your Shopify store, you will simply remove it from the storefront. So that means that customers will no longer see this product as listed. But if in the future you'd like to relist it, you can simply change the status back to active and you can do that. If it is a case that you would like to change the quantity of inventory that is on hand, you can scroll down and then from there you could select available or you could select on hand, and then from there you can adjust it. So let's say for example, instead of there being 10 of this, we'll simply adjust it by 9, then we'll tap on save. After you have tapped on save, you can see that we now have 19. If you would like to change that to, for example, only 1, you could tap on 1 right there and you could tap on save, so that means that there is only 1 available. Or if you would like to delete the product overall, you can scroll down and simply tap on delete product in the bottom right hand corner. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.